Okay, here we go. These are snacks from Scandinavia. And we got Jocelyn and Ava and Brandon with us today. And the first snack is tomato and cheese spice mix crackers.
Yeah.
It tastes like a tomato soup and grilled cheese.
Well,
Pretty good.
I
Yeah,
like them.
those are pretty good. A little crunchy, but I mean, they're a chip, so.
A
What were
little
they?
spicy.
Tomato and cheese. So it's like, you know, kind
I'd
of
say
like
like a pizza.
a piece, yeah. These are corn curls. Again, it's cheese and spice mix.
It looks like Cheetos. It does. Maybe Cheetos. What if it isn't a different?
Cheese curls.
What if it tastes like our Cheetos?
Well, we'll see.
Oh yeah, I saw kind of Cheetos that are like. Ew! Smell it. Smell it. Smells like feet. I'm scared. What if it tastes like it? Oh, not bad.
I don't know.
I think
I don't
feel
really
like
get
I
a
tried
flavor taste out of it.
Pretty good. I like
I mean,
it.
it just tastes like a corn
Yeah.
chip to me.
Tastes like a Cheeto treat.
It tastes like those Cheetos and like the butter ones.
Which one?
Like the butter.
Butter one, yeah, and like
Like in between that and a Cheeto.
okay, let's try. I'm trying to find the raspberry flavored gummies. Here they are.
Yeah.
Huh?
Is this one mine?
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah, because that was mine.
So,
They just give me a new one.
oh, you know what? I didn't show it. It's a raspberry flavored gummies.
I don't like raspberry stuff that much.
Well, you're gonna try it because I'm trying the jalapeno stuff, but I know I don't like it. Don't like it much. I don't like it at all.
Oh, it smells like medicine. Yeah. Smell it.
What is this?
Raspberry flavored gummy.
Oh.
It's not like any gummy that we have here. It's more hard. Not
Gummy.
gummy. Yeah, it's not gummy.
When I mean gummy, I mean gummy.
It's pretty good.
It was decent. It's good.
I taste like Swedish fish.
It's good.
It does.
This,
Yeah.
I didn't think Swedish fish tastes like raspberries. I don't care for the Swedish fish.
Get it. I have a packet in my head.
This is orange
I have a packet in my head.
flavor and cocoa filling. I guess it's some kind of cookie, maybe.
I think that.
Well, yeah, it says Danish cookie. So I guess that would be a cookie. Okay.
Oh.
One.
I get two.
Oh, is that two? Yeah, it is two. Oh, here, I don't want. Is it two or is that the way they're? I think that's just the way they're made.
Yeah, because it gave me two too.
Yeah, they're stuck together. It's just the way they're.
Yeah, because
Way
one's
that it
normal
is.
and one's chocolate.
I don't like orange flavored stuff.
Very crunchy.
Oh, you didn't even.
I like
You
it.
cheat. You didn't even get to taste the orange.
Is the orange in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
It's not overpowering like I thought it would be. It's not bad. But I think I have enough. It's a dark chocolate too. I'm here for dark chocolate.
Here. I'll buy it.
Okay.
Drink. I need it. This is not mine. This is Mommy's.
So
Mommy's right there.
this one, I'm sure everybody will like. It is. These are truffles with cookie dough filling.
Cookie dough filling. Ooh. That. I love truffles. Oh, it has like words on it. It smells like dark chocolate. The gender reveal is. I like it. It's like more like a caramel cookie dough.
Tastes more like cookie butter, but
Right. I'm trying to figure out what kind of cookie dough. It's got a cinnamon taste to me.
what is
I
this?
feel like I'm
This
not gonna
is
like it.
salty licorice caramel.
Looks like black licorice.
Yeah, I'm afraid
Black licorice?
it probably is.
Oh no, it's not. It's not.
Drink
Caramel.
chocolate, so I need a drink.
Well,
It's sticky.
I'm afraid to ask
I don't like it.
where the caramel or where the licorice
I
is.
can't get it open because it's so sticky.
As you can see, I don't think this one went over well. Okay, what did you not like about it?
The licorice.
Yeah. The licorice.
I can't say that I ever tasted the licorice. Mine was so salty. It was like I took my finger and dipped it in salt.
I did not taste no caramel. All I tasted was licorice and salt.
Wow. I had a faint taste of black licorice, but for the most part, mine was just overly salty.
Oh my gosh.
Way too salty.
Excuse me.
Okay. I would say that one nobody cared for. I mean, I spit mine out too, but not because of the licorice, mainly because
Negative 5 out of 10.
the more I chewed,
Zero.
the saltier it got.
Yeah. I pick a 1.
So
Maybe
dark chocolate
one.
covered popcorn.
Oh. Yeah.
Not much of. Oh, Cold is upset.
Yeah. He always does that like every single day.
Not much of a dark chocolate person, but
I didn't even get any chocolate on mine.
here, get you another one. That ain't bad.
Kind of feel like caramel corn.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit
With
drizzle.
a little bit of chocolate on it. No,
But that's mine.
nothing really
Where are
special.
ours? Where's ours?
What?
No,
Water?
Yeah.
I mean, it was
Oh,
okay.
you moved it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Man, that,
here is
I'm not one.
chocolate covered cream toffee pieces.
Yeah. Toffee. Yeah, I do.
Why is there any licorice?
No, I'm going to spit it out probably. Well, it's not licorice.
You like toffee.
I thought he said licorice. Because it's not licorice. It feels dry. Ugh. It smells weird.
It's like eating a milk dud.
That's
Only not as good as milk dud. Milk duds are better.
So chewy. Like hard.
But yeah, it's just a generic milk dud.
Banana.
Mm.
Banana. What's it? Are they gummies?
They're marshmallows.
I heard about the marshmallow banana gummies.
So we got banana flavored marshmallows. I'm not much on banana flavors either. Yeah. I'm gonna try. They look like bananas, or maybe a squash.
They smell like bananas. Oh yeah, they do smell
How is
like
it
that.
so?
Oh, these are like the
Gummy?
peanuts kind
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's got
It's hard, very hard.
a decent banana flavor.
Hard on the outside.
Everything tastes pale.
Slap.
Mm. That's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Those look like
Well, that's just weird.
um
It's fruit flavored foam car candies. Fruit flavored foam car
I
candies.
know it's gonna be licorice.
Why? That's just way off. Oh, whose is that?
What?
Did somebody not like their cookie dough? Or not eat their cookie dough? What?
I think it might just fell out.
Only had 4. Okay.
I didn't know. I'm gonna take that. It's so hard to get. Oh, it smells good. Oh, we got the same one.
Okay.
Fruit flavored foam covered candy. Or foam car candies.
Not very much. I like it. This is good.
Oh, we're not doing this.
What is the licorice?
No, I forgot. There's actually 2 liquids in this one, but one you have to actually make. It's a rhubarb and cream tea. Yeah.
I'm okay on that.
I think I'm.
So you want to make it? Oh, there's the big bag.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
Do I need to get scissors?
No, I'll get it. Jalapeno flavored chips.
Let's put popcorn bags.
Do not care for jalapeno flavor at all. But I'm going to try some.
I hope they're not big chips.
Yeah.
I can smell them from here.
No.
That's probably gonna be my favorite thing.
These are good.
Oh, no.
Oh, spicy.
Yeah, they're spicy.
Okay.
I do not like the flavor.
Gummy.
Mm.
That's good. Spicy. I think I'll be snacking on this for a while.
Here's a puff pastry with lemon cream filling.
How do we just do that? Oh, or
No, it was the same. It's the same company, but
I need that.
Lemon.
this one is lemon. That one was orange.
Oh, I hope it doesn't taste the same.
Oh, different.
It tastes like, it looks like those orange thing gummies that we on the last one. Okay.
Cookies a lot softer.
I like this one better than the
I
lemon
could
one.
try.
Mm-hmm.
I could
do.
taste the orange.
I like lemon. Cookies a lot softer. You don't like it?
No. I don't like
Okay.
lemon. That's over here.
Okay.
Freedom. Yeah.
Next we got
Oh my. The same lady.
cookies with rum flavored icing.
Rum? I don't know. I'm not ready for this.
Mm. Okay.
They look like cheesecake bites or something. Oh, what? This one's nail polish.
Cookies soft.
Ugh. Oh, no, thank you. Tastes like nail polish. I don't like it. Tastes like nail polish too. Why am I still eating?
Where y'all getting it? I've never ate nail polish, so I don't know.
When I smell stuff, I can taste it. Yeah, I want this back.
But
Oh, here, Dad.
I don't know. I'm trying to think of what it. I had a cookie like that, cream flavored cookies, like Oreos, but only vanilla Oreos,
Oh yeah.
kind of like that. Only not Oreos, the generic kind.
I don't think it tastes nothing like it.
Okay. So here we got. Oh, that's what it is.
My favorite.
One of these come out. I'll eat it.
I'll eat it.
So here is salty peanut cocoa truffle.
I don't know, Ray. I don't like peanuts. I don't like peanuts.
As long as it ain't licorice.
Oh yeah.
I'll eat it.
Mm. Ooh. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I like my peanuts crunchy and not just like melted in your mouth.
That was like
Hey,
almost
Dad.
like natural peanut butter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like kind of grainy, but liquidy. Yeah.
Liquidy. Yeah. All right. Well, we're short one because it's this rhubarb tea that I'm sorry. I'm not going to make. It don't even have instructions on how to make it. Oh yeah, it does. Brew 1
Go make it.
teaspoon
Oh, you need that.
of tea.
I'm just going to sleep.
Wow.
That's still count.
That must be some powerful stuff. Only 1 teaspoon of tea.
Okay, I'm taking my cup. I'm not taking the red cup.
I guess we still got that.
Yeah, we got, that's the last thing,
That was like.
is the cloudy lemon soda.
I'm scared to eat this. Drink this. Not eat it while
Cloudy lemon.
Cloudy, lemon, where's it?
Yeah, look, please. Go ahead. For everybody seeing.
That looks like a cloud. I wonder.
Little taste.
And then they get a big taste if they like it. Oh. Ew. Smart.
Oh,
Smells like squirt. Smells kind of like Sprite
Kinda does.
7-Up.
yeah,
Very
Sprite.
sour.
Kind of tastes the squirt a little bit.
I mean, more lemony than.
Yeah, did that at the same time. I like it.
It's okay.
Cheers.
It's supposed to be a tart lemon soda. It's a little, I guess it's a little tart.
Yeah, I can taste the tart.
Okay.
I like that though.
Alright. And that concludes our taste test of Scandinavian treats.
Oh.
They're all great except for licorice.